Fitboon Muscle Iron is a chinning dipping made by combining Korean style and technology. The representative exercise that can be done through chinning dipping is a pull-up where you work out your back. Pull up your chest and pull your elbows down while you're hanging on to the chinning dipping. A pull-up band for beginners is a tool that helps when it is difficult to proceed in an accurate posture due to lack of strength while exercising after hanging on a pull-up bar or a dip bar. It has 4 different colors: yellow, red, black, and gray. Your best body planner.